From the renowned poet William Shakespeare said it first, "The art is the window to our soul." And with this, it is important to understand how to draw it. I started to draw at the age of 4 years old, and it was not until the 8th grade I began to draw different emotions. And I realized that the eyes can really tell us about someone. One may not notice, but our eyes can communicate first before our words. And the cool thing about art, it does not have to be one way. It can be manga, cartoon, or realism. So today I will be demonstrating you on how to figure out the base materials, how to create your outline, and how to create highlights and shadows. To begin, I'm going to be recommending you different materials for your art. So here's my recommendations of paper to use. I recommend using the tone gray sketch paper, or you can use any type of sketch paper that you have. The next material that I recommend is your pencils. So for today, I recommend using Prismacolors. These are really great and they're really good for beginners. Or you can use a graphite pencils. Now that you have your base materials, it is time to prepare the outlines. So we're going to start off with basic shapes. I'm going to start off with the larger portions of the outline. So we're going to start off with an almond shape. Right? Then we're going to make a circle, mimicking the iris. And then a circle for the pupil, and a circle for the reflection, the light reflection. And now we're gonna start off with the smaller portion of the outline. So a curve for the inner part, and a curve right on top for the upper eyelid. And we can even draw the eyebrows. So now that we have the base outline of the drawing, it is time to begin the shadows and highlights. The shadow and highlights really makes the art come to life. It makes it more, in a way, in depth. So I'm going to start off with the shadow portion. So we're going to start off with darkening the pupil as well as darkening the iris. We're gonna avoid coloring this lighter part right here, which is our reflection. So that's gonna be our highlight. But once we do that, we're gonna darken the whole top part. Color this part in. And we're going to shadow the inner and outer parts of the iris, around the iris, and around the ends of the eye. And you could lightly just shade that part in. Alright, and then we're gonna color in our eyebrows. Just shading in. And then darken and create shadows on our eyelids. And what you want to do next is you want to blend this all together. In conclusion, I briefly demonstrated to you on how to pick out your base materials, create an outline, and create shadows and highlights. Art is very vast, and the eye is also very vast. So I hope that you can understand why I like drawing the eye so much. Thank you for watching.